SolKit. I've already checked the top 100 wallets, and you can see that most of the people that made money on it bought zero, private sale, pre-sale, got it from somewhere, and sold it all. There's no one that's holding any substantial amount besides this dude that's holding $300, which is nothing. From the top 100 people that made money on the project. So I went ahead and actually analyzed the top holders, the people that actually have anything, and I'll show you what they're doing from it with it, because this dude, for example, bought some, he's selling some. He bought some 9 hours ago, sold some 9 hours ago. There's some interesting things that are going on. But first of all, who am I? Hey, I'm Niki. This is my win rate. You can see it right here. It's proven, it's tracked. 242 wins, 48 losses. You can actually pause the video to see the win rate change and the trades. You can pause it at any time. I do this every single video I did since the 5th of March to track my progress. It's pretty good, and I'm trying to show you when I withdraw, deposit, everything. I do some crazy challenges, which I start with very little, and I also, to be more transparent, I show you my Stripe account. I'm trying to have everything very accessible. The links are in the description down below. I know people are charging thousands of dollars for crypto information. I just do it for around $100. And the idea is that you can either join my crypto signals group to see all my trades, or the course, or both, where you see what are my secret weapons, how I find gems, how I find token cycles, what are my favorite patterns to trade, how I follow Whale's footsteps, how I identify my environment, how I find tokens that just came out, and so on and so forth, and also exits. So all of this basically is with live case studies, actual trades that I'm taking to be as transparent as possible. Yeah. So that's it. Link in the description down below. No financial advice. So as you can see, this dude bought a bunch for 110 Solana, which is like 15 grand, 16 grand. Solana was a little cheap yesterday. By the way, we have a bunch of shorts right now. The Solana shorts will close soon. They were until 135. So that's we need a little bit of a dump to get there. But yeah. So this dude bought some. He sold some to test the market. Then we go ahead and check this dude. He has a dupe cat as well. He's sold it for mu, which is very interesting. Sold some of the mu. So he's out 14 hours ago. That's weird. So he sold Noob Cat at the pump. Is selling cat funds. Okay, so I'm out of Noob Cat as well. Not worth the risk. Had a good bump. So yeah, this guy is buying SolKit. This dude. The Solana dip is over. So this dude has a lot of volume, 300 trades, 9 mil. He's not stupid. And he's selling, let me just check, when did he buy SolKit, for example? So we'll go here. So it was probably during a pre-sale. I want to see his Noob Cat sales, because I want to see how smart are the people that I'm watching. So it takes a lot of time, and these are the signals are paid, man. I spend so much time analyzing these tokens. Okay, so let's go for Noob Cat, and then we'll go for this dude. He bought 280k worth. So yeah, as soon as the dip is over, we'll probably buy some more new cat again, because this is one of my favorite tokens. So SolKit, as of right now, do I think it can pump? Yes. How much? Liquidity is low, that's good. Volume is good. So here is how my trade would probably look like. This is a good high that we kind of tested but also didn't. This is a good high that we didn't test. So I'm probably going to be buying some right now, and I will alert it in the signals group from here to here right after the video. So it's gonna be something similar to this. I'll have the SolKit buy and target 0.02612, and then I'll also add it to my screener because I need to. So Sonata Kit 262, going to my watch list 262, 2615 for example. Gotta have the alert that, and that should be good. So that's pretty much it. That's how the trade would look like. Love you with all my heart. See you next one.